Alright, so I'm having some issues with my humbucker equipped guitar, but we're going to roll through it anyway. You're going to get some little zingy artifacts. That is not representative of what's going on in the amp, but hey, I gotta say it anyway. So anyway, here she is. Set up the way I like it. There's a little more gain than most folks would use, but the amp can handle it. See that? My guitar has a very noisy controls here. Nice. So let's experiment a little bit. A little cleaner. That's what's going on. The string's not seated. I'm not going to fix it right now, but lovely amp, man. fun time I have for today, but there you go. Some pretty nice preventive maintenance there, and keep her up and running. This is a beautiful sounding little amp. Take care.